This video is intended solely for educational purposes and to spread awareness about OSINT tools and techniques. We do not provoke, encourage, or promote any illegal activity. All information shared is for responsible and ethical use only. Viewer discretion is advised. First up, Spiderfoot. Enter a domain, email, or username, and Spiderfoot scans over 200 public sources to map connections. It finds IPs, related domains, emails, usernames, social media, and data breaches. Results are visualized as a node graph, showing how your digital assets connect. Forgotten subdomains, exposed emails, and old servers are quickly revealed. Use Spiderfoot to audit your assets and secure your digital perimeter. The harvester collects emails, employee names, subdomains, and open ports from public sources like Google and Bing. It scrapes real email addresses and reveals company naming patterns, useful for phishing simulations. The harvester also finds hidden subdomains, like dev or test, which are often less secure. It exposes emails in public PDFs and forgotten servers indexed by search engines. Protect yourself. Use generic emails on public sites, restrict search engine indexing for sensitive subdomains, and scan your organization regularly. Run the harvester on your own company to find and fix leaks before attackers do. Meet Sherlock, a tool that scans hundreds of sites for a single username. Reusing usernames is risky. Sherlock instantly reveals everywhere you've registered, connecting your online identities. Cross-referencing is powerful. Your professional Twitter, personal Reddit, and hobby forums can all be linked, painting a detailed picture of you. For attackers, it's a social engineering goldmine. The lesson: compartmentalize. Use unique usernames for different parts of your life. Don't let your anonymous forum name show up on your LinkedIn. Treat usernames like outfits. Choose the right one for the right context. Make it hard for anyone to connect your dots. Protect your digital identity by diversifying it. If Sherlock is a detective, Migray is a digital archaeologist, scouring thousands of sites for a username and digging up every scrap of info. Migray doesn't just find profiles, it extracts bios, names, and links, building a detailed dossier. Old usernames on forgotten sites? Migray can connect them to your hobbies, locations, and tech habits, even from years ago. It categorizes interests, aggregates data, and shows how public info never really disappears. Defense: use different usernames and be mindful of what you share in profiles. Regularly search for your old usernames and delete unused accounts. Digital spring cleaning keeps your history from becoming someone else's case file. Curate your online presence. Don't let the internet remember what you've forgotten. Every old account is a potential data point. Stay in control of your digital story. Now, let's X-ray a website with Photon, a web crawler that maps site structure, finds hidden URLs, emails, files, and even exposed credentials. Photon rips through code, searching for secrets like API keys or passwords accidentally left in public files. It also uncovers orphaned documents and maps external links, revealing business relationships and tech stacks. A forgotten API key in a JavaScript file? Photon will find it, so could an attacker. Defense: never hard-code secrets, audit your code, and remove unused files. Use robots.txt to block sensitive directories from crawlers. Regularly scan your own site to catch leaks before others do. Website hygiene is critical. Don't give attackers extra ammo. Keep your digital skeletons out of sight. Metagoofle is a metadata extractor, pulling hidden info from public documents like PDFs, Word files, and images. Metadata reveals usernames, software versions, and even file paths, gold for attackers. Knowing your software version exposes you to targeted exploits. Usernames become login targets. Metagoofle automates the hunt, downloading public docs and reporting all the juicy details. Defense: always scrub metadata before uploading files. Use tools to strip identifying info and train employees to do the same. Don't let a simple PDF leak your internal secrets. Metadata is invisible to most, but not to attackers. Clean your documents before they go public. Unsure where to start? The OSINT framework is your interactive map to hundreds of OSINT tools and resources. It's not a hacking tool, it's a research library, categorizing everything from geolocation to social media investigation. Click on a topic, like email addresses or images, and discover all the ways to dig deeper. For beginners, it's a learning tool. For experts, a quick reference. The framework shows just how many ways your data can be analyzed. Explore it yourself, see what's possible, and understand your own exposure. Knowledge is power. The more you know about OSINT, the better you can defend. Don't let your data be an open book. He checks if an email is registered on hundreds of popular sites without alerting the user. It's a stealthy way to map someone's online presence, revealing hobbies, work, and more. The real risk? Email reuse. If your email shows up on a breached site, attackers can try those credentials elsewhere. This is credential stuffing, and it works because people reuse passwords. Defense. Use different emails for banking, shopping, and throwaway signups. Services like Hide My Email help compartmentalize your accounts. Don't let one breach compromise your whole digital life. Separate your emails, separate your risks. Make it hard for attackers to connect the dots. Your phone number is a powerful identifier. PhoneInfoga scans public sources to reveal its carrier, country, and any online footprint. It checks if your number is linked to social media, Google accounts, or messaging apps, sometimes exposing your identity and activities. Attackers can use this info for social engineering, pretending to be your carrier, or using your number to find more about you. Defense. Treat your phone number like a password. Don't post it publicly. Lock down privacy settings so your profiles can't be found by number. Only give your number to trusted services. Use a secondary number for less trusted sites. Protect your digits. They're a key to your digital life. Don't let your number become your weakest link. Cunt targets Google accounts, starting with just an email address. It can reveal your name, profile photo, YouTube channel, public Google photos, Maps reviews, and even your likely location. Chunt exploits Google's interconnected services. One public detail can unlock many more. It correlates data, a name here, a photo there, a location from reviews. Suddenly, your anonymous Gmail isn't so anonymous. Defense. Do a Google privacy checkup. Control what's public in your account settings. Set YouTube and photo albums to private, and be careful what you review on Maps. Manage your Google footprint before someone else does. Every Google service is a potential clue. Don't let your account become an open book. Privacy is a setting. Use it. Step 1. Regularly review and tighten your privacy settings on all accounts and devices. Step 2. Patch software and apps to fix vulnerabilities and compartmentalize your data. Use separate emails and usernames for different services. Step 3. Regularly check for data leaks and remove old accounts you no longer use. Stay updated on digital safety tips and use these steps consistently to shrink your digital ghost.